afternoon. Thank you for joining us on Fact versus Fiction. My name is Radhika Bajaj and with me is always Jency. Hi there.
Hi Radhika.
आज थोड़ी हिस्ट्री के बारे में बात करेंगे. ट्रीट दिस एज अ हिस्ट्री लेसन. एक इन्फोग्राफिक है जो फ्लोट हो रहा है ऑनलाइन एंड इट सेज दैट पूरा देश जानता है कि इंडिया गेट पर कुल 95,300 फ्रीडम फाइटर्स के नाम हैं. उनमें से 61,395 मुसलमान हैं और संघी भाजपाई चिल्लाते हैं कि मुसलमान गद्दार हैं. ये जो एक इन्फोग्राफिक है ये काफी टाइम से फ्लोट कर रहा है. देयर आर अदर वर्जन्स ऑफ इट दैट आर फ्लोटिंग ऑनलाइन एज वेल, जहां पे कास्ट और रिलीजन के हिसाब से इन नामों को सेग्रीगेट किया गया है. तो व्हाई आई सेड दिस इज अ हिस्ट्री लेसन इज बिकॉज नाउ जेंसी विल टेल अस व्हाई दीज फिगर्स and why this entire claim is actually a work of fiction.
So first of all, very interesting. If you see the image, there is Ravish Kumar there.
हाँ, मतलब credibility के लिए वहाँ डाल दिया.
For credibility, his image has been put. This has nothing to do with him. He's not given any such statement or a quote. Secondly, as far as the India Gate is concerned, it has no connection with the freedom fighters or the independence movement, because this was way back commissioned in 1921, and it took a decade to build this. And in many ways, this was to commemorate the the British Indian soldiers who fought the World War I along with the Britishers, and all of them who passed away and who were killed in that kind of a war, their names have been have been inscripted on the India Gate. And first of all, 95,000 names, they don't exist. These are 13,216 names.
Okay.
And all of them, and these are not just Indian nationals. There are various foreign origin soldiers also whose names have been put up on this. For anyone who wants more information on this, there is something called as the Commonwealth War Graves Commission who actually maintain this site.
Okay.
So this is being maintained by an international organization, and they have put down all the names of all these 13,216 soldiers, brave soldiers who fought the World War I and who were killed in action. All their names are listed on the website. So nothing to do with whether they were Muslims or Hindus, segregation, that kind of segregation doesn't happen, and which is why it's quite sad that these kind of posts are going around.
In fact, वो मेरा next सवाल था जेंसी. This kind of segregation doesn't really take place in the Indian Army. In fact, armies around the world.
Right.
So क्यों इस तरह का post बनाया गया?
It's very interesting. Even in the past, at many times people who want to polarize the Indian armed forces as well, because that's one institution that you can call where, as far as religion is concerned, has not played any role. In every other sphere of society that we see out there, whether it's social media or any of the institutions that we talk about, there's a lot of religious polarization that has happened. Armed forces, this kind of polarization doesn't happen because it goes against the basic unity that you need to go out and fight a war against the enemy. So many times Indian Army themselves in the past have said that they don't give out any data which basically differentiates between religion, caste, creed or anything like that. So you will never find out that there are X number of Hindus or X number of Muslims who are currently fighting or who were killed in action. You will never get this data from the Indian Army. I guess why probably someone has put out this kind of a screenshot with completely wrong data, and it's not even factual at the end of the day. The reason being because a lot of the times there's this call about the fact that are Muslims, are they patriotic enough? Are they fighting enough wars? Are they out there on the war front? These are questions that are often asked, and which is why I guess someone has put out this kind of a poster, but there's no truth to it.
Absolutely not. All information on this viral post is 100% a work of fiction, as Jency has explained. We'll wrap it up on that note, guys. But do remember, हमारी हेल्पलाइन का नंबर है 7700906111. अगर कोई ऐसा मैसेज आपको व्हाट्सएप पे आता है या फेसबुक और ट्विटर पे देख रहे हैं जिसको पढ़ के थोड़ा शक हो रहा है, हमें फॉरवर्ड जरूर करिए. We would love to fact check that for you. Thank you for watching today.